Electrolytes are minerals in your body that have an electric charge and are vital for the healthy functioning of your tissues, muscles, and nerves. Common electrolytes include sodium, potassium, calcium, bicarbonate, magnesium, chloride, and phosphate. The human body has sophisticated systems in place to maintain the delicate balance of these electrolytes, an essential aspect of homeostasis. The most critical of these processes is osmoregulation, which revolves around the concentration and balance of fluids and electrolytes. 1. Filtration. Blood is initially filtered in the kidney's glomeruli, small blood vessels that remove excess fluids and waste products while preventing the loss of important blood cells and large proteins. 2. Reabsorption and secretion. The kidney's tubular system reabsorbs the electrolytes and water necessary for the body while secreting unwanted substances and excess electrolytes into the urine. The precise reabsorption and secretion rates depend on the body's current electrolyte and water balance, which is constantly monitored and adjusted. 3. Hormonal control. Hormones such as antidiuretic hormone, ADH, aldosterone, and atrial natriuretic peptide, ANP, are critical in osmoregulation. ADH reduces the amount of water excreted by the kidneys, effectively concentrating the urine during dehydration. Aldosterone signals the kidneys to retain sodium and water, thus increasing blood volume. In contrast, ANP, released by the heart when blood volume increases, reduces sodium reabsorption, leading to greater fluid loss and lowering blood volume. The regulation of electrolyte balance also involves digestive processes. Food and drink intake provide a source of electrolytes that are absorbed in the intestines. Some electrolytes are lost routinely through sweating and in the gastrointestinal tract. For example, during exercise, sodium and potassium are lost through sweat, and the kidneys will adjust reabsorption rates to compensate for these losses. The body responds to dehydration, the condition of having less body fluid than needed, by stimulating thirst to encourage fluid intake, and by increasing retention of water in the kidneys. Overhydration, on the other hand, triggers diuresis, the increased production of urine to restore the balance. Fluid and electrolyte imbalances are also addressed by the buffering action of certain systems in the body. For instance, the bicarbonate buffering system in blood helps avoid drastic pH changes when excess hydrogen ions, which could result from electrolyte imbalance, are present. Beyond the physiological mechanisms, behaviors also play a role in maintaining electrolyte balance. Thirst encourages water consumption, which affects dilution and the concentration of electrolytes. Hunger and cravings can sometimes reflect the body's need for specific minerals, prompting the consumption of certain foods rich in those electrolytes. While the body is generally very good at regulating electrolyte balance, disorders of the kidney, hormonal imbalances, certain medications, chronic diseases, and extreme physical conditions can disrupt this delicate balance. When these systems are challenged beyond their capacity to cope, medical intervention, usually in the form of dietary adjustments, medication, or intravenous fluids, may be required to restore electrolyte harmony. Understanding how the body manages electrolyte balance provides insights into the broad network of feedback mechanisms that maintain our health. It's a testament to the body's incredible ability to keep its internal environment stable despite the ever-changing external conditions.